Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer as it is the only place where we can enter all of those codes. And let's start with the shortest one, which is *## 06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with IMEI numbers and a serial number of this device. So another code is also really short, and it should open the regulatory information. It is *## 07#. And here we are in the regulatory labels. Of course, you can check them. Another code is connected with the calendar. It is *## 225 *##. And here we are in the calendar info, so we can check the events gathered in one place and divided into separate categories like family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Unfortunately, you are not able to enter a specific section to check the details of the events. Here you've got the overall count of them. Alright, let's go back, and another code, which is *## 426 ###. And here we are in the Diagnostics, so you can check the server, host, port, time connected. You can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon here in the right upper corner, you can tap on advanced view and tap on the status to check more information such as heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and the last code is *## 4636 ###. And here we are in the testing mode. In the settings, as you can see, you can check the tablet information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So in Wi-Fi info, you can, for example, check the status. So, for example, whether it is connected, so the network state, SSID, or network ID. You can also run ping this here. Let's go back. Usage statistics. Basically, usually you will have the list of all apps which are currently ongoing on this device, as you can see, sorted by usage time, last time used, or app name. However, lately this option does not work. I just wanted to note that it is possible to get that kind of information. And the tablet information, where you can check, for example, the IMEI number, phone number, and data service, voice service, etc. You will be able to check all of those things if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why I do not have any kind of information. You can run ping test also, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can, for example, enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.